We often overlook the file explorer when it comes to Linux distributions or general computers. In a way, it is the gateway to our computers which you and I use daily for personal and work-related needs. Without a file explorer, we cannot access our files, you cannot even open them or attach them to your emails. All in all, a file explorer is an important application and having a good one can really make a difference. That's why I'm excited to share why Nautilus is my personal favorite file explorer. In this video, I will take a deep dive into Nautilus and see why for the past 7 years it is this file explorer that I use daily. But before we do that, let's take a moment for our sponsor of this video, WPS Office. Introducing WPS Office. WPS Office is a free all-in-one office suite. It is lightweight, feature-rich, and having more than 500 million users around the world. The Office suite comes with various document-related tools like Writer, Presentation, Spreadsheet, PDF Reader, and Editor, which is why WPS Office is a great alternative to Microsoft Office, Google Docs, and Adobe PDF. Just one application for all three. Additionally, it supports over 40 different file types including popular formats like Doc, XLS, PPT, and PDF. The Office also has rich template store, so you can find templates for resume, your business plans, finance, medical, even letters. It also has smart forms, screen recording, file repair, and other integrated tools. My favorite feature is that I can open different documents under one window, just like a web browser, making it very efficient and productive to use. But that's not all. Say hello to WPS AI, a groundbreaking AI addition featuring ChatGPT 4 and cloud storage to enhance your workflow. With WPS AI, you can easily craft compelling essays, work emails, job descriptions, and even create detailed outlines. Its AI-enhanced PDF tools can summarize an entire PDF document, and even you can query questions to it. It's like engaging with the author of the document itself. So whether you are a business professional, student, or a teacher, WPS Office is the ultimate choice for all your document related needs. Best of all, it's completely free and available to major platforms like Windows, macOS, Linux, and even to your mobile phones like Android and iOS. So check out the link in the description below and get WPS Office today. A big thank you to WPS Office for sponsoring this video and supporting this channel. Now let's get back into the video. As we discussed earlier, a file explorer is a really important application and I like Nautilus. But before I deep down into my reason why Nautilus is my go-to file explorer, let's take a brief look at what Nautilus is. Nautilus is a part of Gnome desktop environment. Many Linux distributions including Ubuntu, Fedora, Manjaro, to name a few, come with Gnome desktop environment, making it default file explorer. Nautilus follows the human design system developed by Gnome Foundation, the foundation that develops the Gnome desktop environment. Now you know what Nautilus is, let's take a deep down into the reasons why I like it so much. Reason number 1, intuitive interface. One of the primary reasons why we often like an application or a system because of its intuitive user interface. Nautilus is not a stranger to that. It comes with beautiful human design interface which is followed across the Gnome desktop, making it seamless. Everything looks perfect, the size, the icons, colors, the font, space distribution, and the trendy curve design that it has. So all these elements contribute to an amazing design and interface that it has. So this is my one reason why I like Nautilus. Reason number 2, easy navigation and preview. So looks are important, but what about the other things? So we use a file explorer because of its looks, of course, but for also the functionality that it provides us. So one of the key reasons why I absolutely adore using Nautilus as it offers an easy navigation and seamless preview functionality. So I have this panel on the left side. I can effortlessly access my favorite folders and bookmarks. By default, it comes with the popular bookmarks that it has, like the documents, the downloads, the home, but I can always add my own and I can start using them. On the right side, it has the files and folders and you can also preview them. And the top action bar provides a quick access to the search where I can search for files and get the absolute path of my files and folders. It has these backend 4 buttons and various other options as well. With the options menu, I can easily open a new tab and toggle the hidden directories in my system. The convenience of opening a new tab in Nautilus allows me to easily organize and multitask. I use this feature a lot and it becomes handy when I want to move files around the directories. Reason number 3, customization options. So let's face it, all Linux users love customization. I love customizations too. With Gnome human design interface, Nautilus offers a ton of customizations while keeping it clean and easy to understand. By default, Nautilus has this Gnome based design, right, and comes with the system wide dark and light themes. But you can easily customize the themes by adding your own GTK and icon themes onto your system. Like here, I have added bunch of themes in my system, and I can simply choose a particular theme and the look of the Nautilus will change. I can easily toggle hidden files as I mentioned before and add new bookmarks to the side panel by simply dragging and dropping any folder. And in the preferences, I can switch between the single click and double click option for opening any file and folder. Personally, I like to click twice to open any folder or file, so I have that, but you can always change it and tailor it to your workflow habits. It also offers context menu options like permanent delete and creating a new link. So if you want to enable these options, they will pop up when you right click on any folder or file. And you can also set these view captions for additional information under the directories. So you can simply enable these options and new information will start to pop up under the directory name. All in all, the Nautilus embraces the freedom to customize according to my needs, making it my favorite file explorer. Reason number 4, integrated tools for cloud remote access and archive related work. Another compelling reason why Nautilus reigns supreme as my favorite Linux file explorer, because it offers integrated tools for seamless cloud remote access and archive management. So just like bookmarks, you can easily add your remote sources and access them with just a single click, making it effortless to sync and manage files across various platforms. So if you have a server or a web hosting, then you can easily use these bunch of protocols to access the files and manage them. Nautilus also ensures the smooth connectivity to these various remote systems and services using these protocols so that you do not find any hiccups while doing your work. Additionally, I can easily manage different types of archive files right from the Nautilus application. So I do not have to install a different tools to extract or to create different archive files like 7z, zip, rar, tar, etc. So it offers us this easy way to create and extract such files without any hassle. Now moving on to the reason number 5, and this reason is really important because it matters. The reason number 5 is turbo performance. So Nautilus is not just user-friendly application that offers good navigation, customization and remote connectivity. It is also incredibly efficient as it is designed to be light on the system resources, ensuring that it doesn't slow down your system, of course. On top of that, being part of Gnome ecosystem gives it an edge over other file explorers, as it can easily rely on optimized resources that the whole desktop environment offers. Moreover, it comes with performance customization options as well, so you can easily go into the preferences and tweak the settings as per your needs. So the feature to customize the performance makes it a perfect choice for both modern and older hardware as well. With that, I conclude all my regions. So give it a try and let me know what you think about it. And if you have your own favorite file explorer, then do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Linux related content. As always, thanks for watching and keep enjoying Linux.